welcome back to my channel and another unboxing of my Teacher Care Crate. If you haven't heard of Teacher Care Crate, it's a monthly subscription service for teachers that is catered to teachers, and it's $27.99 a month. I actually held off on opening my box until I finished all of my report cards. So I just finished, I got into my cozy clothes. I have my iced coffee that I made. It's not the same as Starbucks, but it's still pretty good. And I put it in my flamingo cup. So I'm really excited because the only sneak peek I've seen is that it's kind of cozy warm, cozy comfort thing. It's a theme that revolves around coziness and comfort, so that's all I've seen. I really try not looking at any spoilers, which is really hard because I follow Teacher Care Crate on Instagram, so normally I see and like all of their pictures, but I tried really hard to just not look at any of the sneak peeks. So here we go. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh. So each box comes with an info card. It kind of tells you everything that's inside and the theme. Please ignore my nails, but this month's theme is Let's Be Cozy. My hand is shaking. Not let's be cozy. Let's get cozy. This month's Teacher Care Crate is all about practicing hygge, the Danish concept of comfort, coziness, and togetherness. I hope I pronounced that correctly. My apologies if I did not. So let's go in and see what's in the box. Okay, so the first thing in the box is, it's a hygge how-to. Ooh, there's like powder. So there's powder everywhere. Snow? Maybe it's supposed to be. It smells good. Ooh. Maybe something popped. So I'm getting a lot of this white powder all over my hands. So let me bring a paper towel. Okay, so I have a towel here. So I know everyone has met Mochi, but this is Ellie, this is my pupperoo. Okay, so the first item in the box is this hygge how-to little card. There's always one art print in each box. So this one says, hygge how-to, candles and low light, nature, blankets and pillows, cozy clothes. I wore my cozy clothes just for this unboxing. Sweets and comfort foods, togetherness with people you love and feel safe with, and warm drinks. So moving on, I am going to find the culprit of the white powder, which I think it's this guy right here. So I think this guy is the culprit of the white powder. Let me read up what it is. Next, take a luxurious bath with your release milk bath from Being Apothecary. So I think you just put it in the water while you have your bath, which, I mean, having subscription boxes in the past, I can see that things can get damaged on the way here, and I think there's a hole. So mine had a little hole here and decided that was not supposed to happen. I am so sorry. Having a hole is not the end of the world, so it looks like it snowed in my box, which I guess it's fitting for the holiday season, but I'm going to make sure I put this upright so I don't spill anymore, and it's like a really fine powder. Kind of feels like flour. So that would be really nice for a bath. At least everything didn't fall out. Okay, let's move on to the next item in the box. Ooh, what is this? Oh, what is that? The next item in the box is this small candle. Okay, I really don't want my face in the... Okay. So it was made specifically for Teacher Care Crate, and it is a hygge themed candle. So I wonder what it's gonna smell like. It smells like cinnamon rolls and a little bit like those bags where you find in Joann's or Marshall's. It's like the little pine cones, cinnamony, wrapped in that red bag. And cookies. Just smells like the holidays. Holidays all in a little tiny candle. So it's pretty small, really cute. I will put this to the side. Let's keep on going. Hey, this box came with a little, what are these called? Cardboard crinkles? All right, the next item in the box is, ooh, it looks like a beaker of some kind. It's a 150-piece puzzle, and it's really tiny. These are baby puzzles, and or these are baby puzzle pieces, and they create Van Gogh's Starry Night at the end. I don't think it can be that big. I'm assuming maybe this size. But just to show you, wow, this is going to be a challenge. I wonder if I can challenge my students to make this puzzle, because the pieces are really, really tiny. Which will be a challenge. I should challenge my students. So my students that are watching this, and I know some of you are, I don't know how my students found my YouTube channel, but they did. So if you're watching, this challenge is for you. So the next item in the box was this really cute scrunchie. So I wear scrunchies all the time, so this one was perfect for me, and it's really soft. It's velvety, it's soft, and it's stretchy, which is nice because when you have thick hair or long hair, when it doesn't stretch out a lot, then it's not a good time. So I am so happy this was in the box, and I will definitely wear it. Let's keep on going. All right, so the next item, do you guys see the snow coming out? Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus. Oh, this is so cute. So this looks like a coaster. And if you drink coffee, if you have even a water cup and you need a coaster, this one is perfect. And it says cozy teacher, which is me. I love cozy clothes. I love being cozy. I love the cold weather. So this is just perfect. It's perfect for my drink right now. So, and it's pretty, it's ceramic. It's not paper. It's pretty solid. So when I put my drink on it, it's gonna be pretty awesome. So this coaster was so necessary and I love it. So I'm going to put it under my coffee drink right now. It's as if this box was catered to me. I love everything so far. So the next item is this. I think it's a form of hot chocolate. Drinking chocolate. Ooh, chocolate in a cup sounds good. So you open the packet, add powder to 1 cup of milk. Slowly warm milk mixture over low heat. Do not boil, remove from heat and serve. Sounds so good. This would be so good with, I don't know what they're called, but they always sell them in Costco, or it's like those Danish cookies. The ones that, there's like 5 different types. There's some of them have sugar, one's in a pretzel shape. One's just, it looks like a little mini donut, but so good. This would be so good with it dipped. Okay, whenever I have a chance to go to Costco, I'm gonna see if they have that huge tin and drink it or eat it with my drinking chocolate. There is one more item in the box, and it is this lotion in a tube. Tube lotion? I've never heard of anything like that before. It is a solid lotion stick, but it's made in a chapstick form. I think it is chapstick, or you can just use it as lotion as well. So let's make sure we have all of the items. So first we have the art print. So let's find out how many items were in the box. So for the start. So we have our art print. We have the velvet scrunchie. The Hygge candle, which smelled like holidays in a candle. Drinking chocolate, which I need those Danish cookies for, which is perfect for this box. Our release milk bath, which released a bit earlier than I wanted it to. Our Van Gogh puzzle, and our tube lotion. So all in all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in the box. I really loved everything in the box, and it's just a great way to gift yourself month after month, because as teachers you work so hard, you deserve a little break. So this is my version of gifting something to myself, and it's something to look forward to every month, and these videos are seriously so fun to make. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, it helps me out a lot, and subscribe if you haven't already so I can see you guys next time. Oh, I forgot about the coaster. So we had 8 items in the box, my bad. I totally forgot about this awesome coaster. I love this coaster and I love this scrunchie. So these are my top 2 favorites, but I really love everything in the box. It was perfect and I can't wait for December's box. Again, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!